Hey, I'm Frida with WTI. I wanted to show you guys my metal detector. I've decided to join my husband in all his metal detecting adventures. So this is by DR.OTEK, and it is truly an amazing metal detector. It comes with everything you need to start your metal detecting adventure. You have all the different settings on the screen. You can go off of the sound that it's making, or you can just look at the monitor and it'll display what type of metal is underneath there. So there could just be junk, there could be coins, there could be fine jewelry. The headphones also are super comfortable. There's extra cushioning around the part that goes on the top of your head and your ears as well, so you really don't even feel like you're wearing anything. The shovel that it came with was his favorite part of the whole thing. It's so easy to dig down in with the shovel. I really like how convenient this is to carry. It's very lightweight, so it's not hard, because when you're metal detecting, you're going back constantly and it can really be strenuous on your arm. But because it has this nice little part here that is adjustable to your forearm, and then the nice soft grip, it is very easy to use, and I wasn't getting tired out in the woods. So the entire thing breaks down really easily to fit in this bag, but also, if you notice, it has these little adjustments on it. So when my 11-year-old wanted to go metal detecting with Dad, we were able to very easily break it down, make it so it was shorter so she wasn't struggling so much using it. This is a fun activity for all ages. I think you guys will find that this isn't just for beginners. It's a very beginner friendly because of how easy it was to use. But even if you've been metal detecting for years, I think you'll be very impressed by this entire set. And that's my point of view.